Top 10 foods for kidney health. Number 1, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants and vitamins which can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Number 2, cabbage. This cruciferous vegetable is low in potassium and high in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Number 3, cauliflower. A versatile vegetable, cauliflower is low in potassium and high in vitamin C and fiber. It can be mashed, riced, or used in soups and stir fries. Number 4, garlic. Garlic has anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce cholesterol levels. It adds flavors to dishes without the need for extra salt, which is beneficial for kidney health. Number 5, onions. Low in potassium and high in antioxidants, onions can enhance the flavor of meals while providing health benefits. Number 6, red bell peppers. These peppers are low in potassium and high in vitamins A and C. They can be eaten raw, roasted, or added to salads and stir fries. Number 7, apples. Apples are high in fiber and antioxidants, which can help reduce the risk of kidney disease. They are also low in potassium and can be enjoyed as a snack or in salad. Number 8, cranberries. Known for their urinary health benefits, cranberries can help prevent urinary tract infections. They are also rich in antioxidants and can be consumed fresh or as juice. Number 9, quinoa. A complete protein source, quinoa is low in potassium and high in fiber. It can be used as a base for salads or as a side dish. Number 10, olive oil. Rich in healthy fats and antioxidants, olive oil can help reduce inflammation and support heart health.